Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds Moto Buds 270. To call a voice assistant you need to use your right earbud. At the back side, right here we have Motorola logo, this one is touch area, and you need to press and hold at the touch area on your right earbud, not the left one. So press and hold. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you can call Bixby with it. And that's it. These earbuds haven't a dedicated app, so we cannot use the application to customize the gesture and to add this feature to another gesture. So only press and hold for the right earbud. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!